You're exhausted by work that doesn't matter, solving million-dollar problems, getting paid a fraction of the value that you create, doing work you're good at but don't love. And that voice keeps asking, when is it my turn? Well, here's the truth. Your expertise is playing by the wrong rules. I figured this out building an award winning business in 7 months, then deploying $17 million. dollars. If you thought there has to be another way, keep watching. Let me describe what your life probably looks like. You're good at what you do, maybe great at it. You've built a career, earned respect, developed real expertise. But somewhere along the way, something shifted. You used to care about the work. Now you're just going through the motions. You hit your targets, attend the meetings, do everything right on paper. But inside, you're checked out. And you keep thinking, I've spent 10 years here building this expertise. This can't be all there is. You watch the years slip by, you see people doing work that matters to them, making their own decisions and building something of their own. But then you look at your salary, your benefits, your responsibilities, and you tell yourself, this is what responsible people do. So you stay. And every year, that gap between who you are and what you're doing gets wider. Staying in a career that doesn't fulfill you isn't easy either. It just is a different kind of hard. You've been taught there's one path, climb the ladder, wait for promotions, and hope it's worth it someday. But what if your expertise could work for you instead? Now imagine this. 9 months from now, you're at your favorite coffee shop on a Wednesday morning. This is your office now. You just finished a strategy session with a client who's a BP who's been stuck on the exact problem you solved dozens of times in your career. They just Venmoed you $3,500, which is the second half of their engagement. You open your calendar, you have two more client sessions this week, a discovery call on Friday with the referral. This month, you'll clear $9,200. Last month was $7,800. The month before that was $6,500. You're not viral. You don't have thousands of followers. You have 9 clients who pay you well because you solve expensive problems they can't solve themselves. You're getting paid for what you know, not for showing up, for expertise that took you years to build. This is what happens when you realize the problems you solve in your job every day, people outside your organization will pay you to solve those same problems, not someday, right now. Now, if you're curious about what this could look like for you, you don't need to watch the rest of this. Click the link below. Book a strategy call. We'll explore whether turning your expertise into income makes sense for your situation. Or keep watching to see exactly how I made this transition and why this works for professionals who never thought it was possible for them. It's your choice. But if you're curious, the link is below. I spent 20 years coaching high school basketball. I love developing young leaders and teaching discipline, strategy, teamwork, even won a state championship. I also worked in corporate, in HR, and operations, in nonprofit community development. I was good at it. I climbed the ladder, but I kept thinking, I'm helping these organizations build things. What if I built something for myself? In April 2010, I started writing a business plan for a coffee shop. People thought I was crazy. I have no experience in hospitality either. I decided to be the anomaly, not just another person who thought about it, someone who actually did it. 7 months later, Coffee at the Point opened in Denver's 5 Point Bay. I had clarity on who I was serving, systems for operations, and the discipline to execute. Within years, we were hosting 250 community events annually, managing a team of 25 people. Over 12 years, we won 13 awards, including Denver Small Business of the Year and Top 5 America's Best Coffee House nationally. But the lesson wasn't about coffee. It was the framework. It was clarity, systems, execution. It worked everywhere. At Energize Colorado, I deployed $17 million to thousands of small businesses. Same framework. At No Labels, I led coalition building across all 435 congressional districts and exceeded fundraising goals by 34%. Same framework. Board appointments by Denver's mayor and Colorado's governor, multiple board chair positions. I didn't need a business degree to build a business. I needed to see that my expertise had value outside of a job. That's what most professionals never realize. Here's why you can't see this possibility. I call it the career trap. You've spent years building expertise inside a system. Corporate, education, nonprofits. That system taught you expertise equals job title, authority equals position, income equals salary. So when you think about your future, you only see one path: stay where you are or find another job. You literally can't imagine people would pay you directly for what you know. You've been conditioned to believe expertise only has value inside an organization. You look at coaches and consultants and think, that's for other people, people who are more confident, connected, credentialed than me. But here's what you're missing: the problems you solve every day, those exact problems exist everywhere. Leaders struggling with team dynamics, organizations needing strategic clarity, professionals desperate for your exact expertise. And they'll pay you real money, not because you have certification, because you've actually solved these problems before. Once you see through the career trap, you stop thinking, I need a job, and start thinking, I have valuable expertise people will pay for. That shift changes everything. That's what I help professionals realize through private strategic consulting. I work with people who are where I was, successful in their career, but ready to build something of their own. Not through theory, through the same framework I use to transition from employee to entrepreneur. It's three phases. Phase one is clarity. We identify the exact expertise that you have that people will pay for, who needs it, and what transformation they're buying, how to position yourself with immediate authority. In phase two, systems, we build the infrastructure on how to have conversations that turn into clients, how to deliver results, and how to price your expertise confident. In phase three, execution, we launch. You start having real conversations with real people who have real problems you can solve. This is private consulting with someone who's deployed $17 million in capital, exceeded fundraising goals by 34%, won 13 business awards, and served on boards at the highest levels. I've made the transition from employee to entrepreneur multiple times. I know what works. This works because of methodology, not luck. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. You need to see what's possible and build strategically. When you do, it's Tuesday at 2 p.m. Close your laptop after a client session. You're done for the day. No boss to report to, no annual reviews to worry about, no wondering if this is the year you'll finally get promoted. You check your phone, a text from a former colleague. Hey, gave your number to a friend dealing with exactly what you helped us solve. She's going to reach out. Your income last month was higher than any month in corporate, and you worked half the hours. You're not waiting for someone else to decide your worth. You're not trading time for money. You're solving meaningful problems, getting paid what you actually are worth, building something completely yours. It's not supposed to be easy, but it's supposed to work. Not someday, now. And I stand behind that. If you fully implement and don't secure your first paying clients within 90 days, I'll extend your private support for an additional 30 days at no cost. That's my 90-day client success commitment. So here's what happens next. If you're still watching, something inside you is saying there has to be another way. And you're right, there is. Click the link below. Book a strategy call. We'll explore what it would look like to turn your expertise into income, whether it makes sense for you and what the path would look like. If it makes sense to work together, I'll show you how. If it doesn't, you'll still leave with clarity. But I only work with a handful of clients at a time. This is private strategic consulting, not a group program. If you wait a year from now, you're still in the same position, still wondering, still thinking, maybe someday. Still solving problems worth millions while making a fraction of what you create. Still watching that gap get wider and wider. Still exhausted by work that doesn't matter. Or you make a different choice today. Be the anomaly. Not another person who thought about it for years. Someone who actually explored what's possible. Book the call. See the path. Decide if this is right for you. Click below and pick a time. You already have everything you need, the expertise, the experience. You just need to see that it's worth more than your salary. Let's figure it out together.